In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful red and white cuff bracelet. This bracelet is also available on my website. If you're interested, please see the link in the video description. To start, we are going to do a slip knot and then make 10 chains. From there, we're going to pull a loop from each chain, so that's a total of 9 loops. And once you do that, you should have a total of 10 loops on your hook. So you have 10 loops on here. You're going to do yarn over and pull through 5 loops. After that, you will make chain 4 and then pull through all the rest of the 5 loops with the last chain and make chain 1. Next, we're going to insert the hook in that middle space where we did 4 chains, yarn over and then pull through, and then make chain 1. Now repeat that 8 more times. Hook inside the middle space, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. So at this stage, you should have a total of 9 loops on your hook. You're going to do one more 10th loop from that last chain. You should now have 10 chains again on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 5. Then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one will go through all rest of the 5 loops and then chain 1. So we'll repeat this pattern until the bracelet reaches the length you want, and I'll speed through the rest since it's exactly the same steps, and I will meet you at the end. So I have completed the length I want, and I have one loop on the hook. To finish, what I'm going to do is make one chain and then pull 3 more loops spaced evenly, and then I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4. From here, make 10 chains, and this is what's going to be used to tie the bracelet. Next, we'll do the same on the other side. Since my starting tail is too short for 10 chains, I'll add some extra yarn. It's better to leave a longer tail at the beginning, but I forgot, so I made a note during editing. So again, we'll pull 4 loops spaced evenly on this side, and then yarn over and pull through all 4. Then make 10 chains. Now I'll hide the loose ends with my yarn needle. Let's see if I can get both of these tails at the same time. So you could stop here because it already looks very pretty. If you like this bracelet so far, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Next, I'll show you some ways to embellish it. One option is to add beads on each side. So you can use a small crochet hook to pull the yarn through the bead, and then make a knot at the end to secure it. Make sure it's big enough so the bead doesn't slide out. As an alternative, you can also crochet the bead directly, which is what I'm going to show you on the other side. I place the bead on the yarn again by using my crochet hook. You insert the hook into that last chain, the 10th chain. Do a yarn over with the tail and pull through. And you can do that a couple of times to secure it. Another option is to turn this into a traditional red and white Martenitsa bracelet by adding the white yarn along the side. To do that, you can take some white yarn, start at one end, pull up a loop, and then make a slip stitch, and then chain 1. Continue slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, all the way to the other end. This is what we have so far. You can leave it with white on just one side, or you can do both sides for a more balanced look. And that is what I'm going to do. When you finish with the second side, all you have to do is hide the ends in the back with your yarn needle. You can tie your bracelet with the 10 chains that you made earlier. Or if you prefer, you could make an adjustable knot, which is what I'm going to do right now. And I have videos that show different bracelet knot options. I'll link to that playlist in the description below. I'll also link to all the materials that I used in this tutorial if you want to use the same ones. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.